In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add IDM extension in Google Chrome. We'll walk through the process clearly and safely, so you can get Internet Download Manager working with Chrome to capture downloads more reliably. First, start by opening Google Chrome. Make sure you're using a recent version of the browser so the extension installs smoothly and remains compatible. If Chrome has an update pending, it's a good idea to let it finish before you continue, but otherwise, just have the browser open and ready. Next, open the Chrome Web Store. This is the official marketplace for Chrome extensions, and using it helps you avoid unverified downloads. You can reach it by searching for Chrome Web Store in the address bar or by navigating to it from Google's results. Once you're on the Web Store homepage, you'll see a search box at the top and categories down the side. This is where we'll locate the IDM extension. In the search box, type IDM Integration Module and press Enter. The result you want is the official IDM Integration Module. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct listing. Look for the exact name, check the publisher information, and scan the description for references to integration with Internet Download Manager. Popular extensions typically show a large number of users and reviews, which can be another sign you're in the right place. Avoid similarly named items that promise the same functionality but have vague descriptions or very few users. When you're confident you have the official listing open, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will display a small pop-up asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension to proceed. You'll see a brief download, and then Chrome will automatically install the module. When the installation completes, you may see a confirmation message near the top right corner of the browser. Some systems also show a short note explaining what the extension can do, such as monitoring downloads. If you see the button change to remove from Chrome, that means the extension has been successfully added. If you're prompted by Chrome for any on-screen confirmations, just follow them as they appear. In rare cases, if the Add to Chrome button is grayed out, make sure you're using a desktop version of Chrome, since some extensions aren't available on mobile. That's it. You've opened Google Chrome, gone to the Chrome Web Store, found the official IDM integration module, and added it to Chrome by confirming the installation. With that done, IDM can work alongside your browser to help manage and accelerate your downloads.